Okay guys, I just want to show you a couple of other things here. This is someone from your class has drawn their acoustic speaker here and added coffee table and magazines and so on to make it look realistic. And we can improve the look even further by doing a couple of things. So I think I've spoken about the style, so you can have a play with the styles where you can change. You know, if you hit the edit button, you can change what the edges look like, what the faces look like. And I suggest you have a fiddle with that, and we can change the background as well. And the idea is to make things look realistic. Now, we'll cancel that. The other thing I want to show you, how do we get out of here? There we go, styles. Down here with the display button, the button that looks like a pair of glasses. So we open that, and if we were making this look realistic, we want to get rid of the axis. So we simply take the tick out of the axis. The other thing you can fiddle with here is the shadows. You're welcome to flick through these other ones and see what they do, see what they look like. They might improve the look, they may make it look bad. We don't particularly want to hide our models, but shadows is pretty fun to play with. We click the shadows on, and we can, depending on the time of the day, will depend where the shadow will be, and the date as well will change how far out the shadow will go. And so that's worth having a play with, having a fiddle. Find something that you like. And the other one is fog. I think the idea of fog is the closer you get these two together, that gives a bit of a blurry sort of look. So you can fiddle with that. That's using the background color that you've chosen before, or if we take the tick out, you can choose your own background. It's up to you what to do there. I think that's all you can change in here. But find a view that looks really good. Don't forget to save. And the other thing that can do, once you get this looking really good, you might even be able to put this in a room, carpet on the floor, or even part of a room. The other thing that you should do, or you could do after you've saved it, is export as a PNG, and it will export it as an image. And I think it looks like we should be able to. That just changes the size of the image, doesn't give us option to crop and then export as PNG. Okay, that's it for this video. Good luck with that. Try and make it look good. See how you go.